What's up, guys? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. Well, as you guys all know, in my last video, me and the wife, Susan, Miss Chuck's Hobby Spot, we actually went to Colorado and we went to a show, and I visited a local hobby shop out there, and I picked up a kit that I seen it came out, and I really wanted the kit because it's a kit that I built a long time ago. It's one of my first kits, and I had a list of kits that I've top 5 kits that I've probably some of the first kits I've ever done. And the original one, made by Revell, they redid it again, and it has a bonus inside. So I was pretty excited when I seen it on the shelf. I picked it up, and I haven't opened it yet. So I do want to open that with you guys. So I actually want to open the kit and take in the fresh styrene and go on this adventure with all you guys. So I love it when they repop kits that haven't been out for a little bit, and makes me kind of happy. So, and I think I can do a lot with this kit. So let's turn this camera around and let's look at what's in the box, guys. You guys don't want to see this. Come on, man. Let's go. All right, guys. There it is. It is the 29 Ford hot rod pickup with the California street chopper in it. And man, I seen this and I was all, man, that's awesome. It even comes with a California street chopper. There's so much you can do with this kit. I mean, I'm thinking in my head, chop it, I'm thinking maybe just take it off here and have the windshield, cut the windshield down. I'm thinking all kinds of stuff, the stuff that's running through my head, and it looks like there's a visor on here. So I kind of digging that. I love the white walls, and they're on Supremes too, so they look pretty rad on this car. So the bike looks like a panhead. It looks like a panhead. Hard to tell. Looks like a panhead. Your typical Revell box. Revell, one of my favorite companies. I like them all just because of different genres. Everybody should like every company. I love the genre that this brings. I love the genre that AMT brings. It's awesome, guys. So here's a little bit of detail, different ways you could build this. I kind of want to go something like it's on the front of the box. I mean, it's what draw my eye to this thing. So let's go ahead and open this thing and see what's in this box, guys. I'm taking the plastic off with you guys. So over here you can see I'm building the 37 Revell. It's another Revell kit. Revell, I mean, they usually come out, I mean, just about every Revell kit, to me, with my experience, they've all been pretty decent kits. I mean, the 37, this is going together well. Even when you actually modify it, and it's pretty straightforward. So and I really got my eye on, because this is the 37. I wanted to do it a certain way and then make the 37 Ford pickup that they came out with the surfboards. I wanted to make it match this thing so I can put them next to each other, have the street ride and the pickup. That little pickup, I want to do a review on that. That thing looks awesome. That's my style. I love that. Revell, thank you for coming out with these. So let's take a look at what's inside here. Everything's in plastic still. You guys don't want to hear me yipping and yapping about things, so let's go ahead and we'll put that there for your eyes to see. So let's start opening this thing, guys. I should have started this video out with a set of with the X-Acto knife or something so I can cut the thing open. But I was already talking about chopping this thing off. But what's really cool, and man, look at the way they brace this, guys. See that? They brace this kit like it won't warp in the box like some of these kits do. That's important. So I'm digging this. But we were talking about chopping that top off, and guess what? We don't have to, because guess what? Revell did it for us. So they gave you two options right there. The first thing we pulled out of the box, you get two options. Wow, that's awesome. So far it's options. Let's see. All right. Next thing on the top of this box was the wheels or the tires, and you get your typical Revell tires. These are the front runners for this kit. Pretty cool. I mean, there's so many things with the world of 3D printing. Do you want to use these? I mean, they look nice on there. Pie crust for the rear. These are really nostalgic and cool, and especially with Supremes. I mean, you can. I wouldn't mind putting those on there. I'm a big 3D print guy, so I don't know if I'm gonna go with that. So then you got your just for your axles and stuff and your wheel pins. And these look like the motorcycle tires, which the back it's a Dunlop tire. These are the way they're supposed to look, guys. Look at that. It's pretty nice. So I mean, it's not two-piece tires. Front runner's pretty nice. The front tire on that, pretty nice. Once these are all weathered up the right way, these things would be nice. And I know bikes, so I like that. So let's look at the next bag. So we'll set these over here and we'll look at things one by one here. So if you wanted to do the top like I was talking about, you can use this top here. It's a soft top for it, which would be cool. I bet you I've been doing a lot of like figures and stuff, and I think I can actually make that pretty nice. So the bed's got a really nice wood grain in there. You can actually put your real wood over the top of that, or you can just paint it, dry brush it, with real wood. Like dry brush it in browns and make the wood on there. Looks like the back roll pan, which is kind of cool. Then you got the tailgate. It's nice and crisp. Wow. Everything's pretty nice. I don't know how much I'll use of the kit, but I mean, Revell always makes nice parts. So, but the stuff you can do with this thing, it's endless, guys. I mean, it's endless. And of course, I'm going to use these fenders on there because I think it looks cool in the box. The seats there. It's got the bench in there. You got, looks like the hood. I would probably put a piano hinge in there and make them come up just like it looks like it's doing right now. Man, the ideas on this are just getting me going. I was doing this just to do a video, and man, I'm thinking I might build this thing right now. The front end on here, it's cool, but you know what though? There's so many aftermarket stuff you can buy for front ends, and it looks like this has got a different one on there. But I like these. I did one on my 29 Ford that I built for GSL, and it came out pretty nice. I think I would either do that, or I like that though. So the frame on there, pretty nice. I would probably get rid of this and put a real one in. Looks like two different dashes. One's for with this attached to it, so I guess that's because of this already has one on there. The windshield. It's pretty nice. Pretty cool. It's just, this thing's optioned out. And you know what? I forgot to mention. Look at this. See this? You don't have to cut the doors open, guys. They're already cut out. So that actually, it makes for a pretty easy customization that you can do to this thing. I'm liking this thing. I'm really liking it. The stuff you can do with this is unreal. Different seats, that's another option, guys. This kit's got so many options. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. So the chrome tree, I'm not gonna open them or throw them around or anything, because I like to keep my chrome intact until I get ready to build it. Look at that. This is the one I was talking about using, that grill. And I probably make my own bar grill over it, you know, inside it. Somebody did that, and I thought it was pretty cool. I don't know who it was, Kevin Hayes or somebody, I don't remember. But and the chrome on this thing, if you didn't re-chrome your stuff, it's actually pretty nice, guys. I'd black wash them. If I wasn't into re-chroming my own stuff, I'd be black washing it and keeping the chrome. But yeah, dude, I mean, I always strip everything, so no matter what model I build, I strip it and re-chrome it. It's just me. That's just what I do. And look, oh, how cute's the bike frame. So in every bike you buy, even the full-size ones, they're usually two-piece frames, which, like, this is a two-piece frame. It's pretty cool. I mean, again, strip the chrome off, which only takes, you know, just a little bit. I would actually strip the chrome, obviously, off the gas tank. I would probably do it off of everything, just to tell you the truth. But I mean, it's pretty nice. It's a neat plus, you know, a neat little bonus for the kit is this bike, you know. And some people, like, they search for these things, and you know, I have friends that, like, that's all they build is bikes, and they search for these little bikes, and when they find them, they buy them. So last but not least, the decal sheet. I love doing this, and everybody loves the decal sheet. So we were talking that you can paint this or put real wood in it, but you can also use this decal. So this decal is, you know, real wood. Pretty cool. I know they sell like a Hasegawa does, like a bare metal foil, but it is actually like wood grain. I would like to try that, probably even on this, so that'd be kind of cool. You got 2 sets of license plates. Gauges, man, I like those. They're pretty, they look the part. White walls, they're pretty easy to work with. I'd use actually they actually look pretty crisp, pretty nice. I've actually used white wall decals, and I've cleared with flat clear back over it, and they came out really nice. So some of these decals are really cool. Also, I like these pinstriping decals rather. I like those. I don't know so much about the flames, but you know, the decals in your stash are always cool to have, guys. So so yeah, dude, and you know, I don't know if we got to go over this. Also, it comes with a flat piece of glass, because every window in this thing is flat, and everybody has clear stuff. So if you screw it up, you do it again. I mean, that's what's cool about this kind of stuff on that kind of window. So it's the typical instructions. So I mean, typical Revell instructions, pretty detailed. You know, it's for Revell. Gives you all the parts list. Color codes here, so that's cool for the beginners. I remember building this kit back in the day, and I was, you know, my dad helped me build it. I think I did it a forest green when I did it, and it came out pretty good for a kid. You know, the testers back in the day, the testers spray paint, and I did it in my grandma's garage. something I really remember growing up. That and stompers. I had a lot of them stompers. Remember those? Ran off a AA battery. So I really like this kit, guys. I think we can do a lot with it. I'm in this nostalgia street rod type of mood right now, obviously with that 37 sitting over there. And I thought about doing the 37 Ford pickup because, you know, I need to do another pickup soon. So, but gosh, I really want to do this pickup because I am like digging it, guys. The stuff you can do with this thing is just getting me going, man. Getting the juices flowing, bros. Oh yeah. Thank God these guys are coming out with kits all the time, you know? I mean, because we do not want the hobby to die. We want everybody to experience the same kits we experienced also. So that's why repops are awesome for the younger guys or the new people that are coming into this, because we want them to be able to experience building the same kits we have enjoyed through our childhood or our younger years. And we also like the new stuff. So yeah, so I mean, I'm glad. I'm very appreciative for Revell for coming out with this. These manufacturers, man, it's tough to come out with new kits all the time. I mean, but they're doing it, and I'm glad they are, guys. So anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Why do you watch this crap? I don't know, but you guys do. So don't forget to watch the Scale Model Car podcast. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook at Chuck's Hobby Spot. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, guys, give a big look-see over at Iceman Collections. Check out what they got. For a discount, put in Chuck 10, you get 10%. Check out VCG Resins. Check out Scale Speed Garage. Yeah, guys, there's a lot of good aftermarket people that are making awesome stuff that you guys can take this kit to the next level. So that's what we're doing here with this one here. It's Iceman Collections, VCG wheels. I printed the seats. I don't know if those seats actually came from Scale Speed Garage's files, but I use a lot of their stuff too. So anyway, so you guys, yeah, man, check this kit out. I recommend it. 2 thumbs up, guys. I'm out of here. Take care.